See, an Igbo man rather dies on his feet than live on his knees. An Igbo man is dogged. Yeah. His sense of enterprise and financial multiplication is very high. He's very enterprising. An Igbo man is very brave. An Igbo man has a lot of territorial dominance. An Igbo man is very audacious. They don't fit in, they stand out. Yes. An Igbo man is very brave. An Igbo man rather dies on his feet than live on his knees.
Oh wow.
That's true. They're very enterprising, very brave. Yes. And they're not, like I said, they're audacious. They're not afraid to start everything all over again. So an Igbo man is a cat with 9 lives. Yeah.
Why? How? I was like, this is why I didn't hear anything.
Yes,
no, but it's the truth. But it's a standing
fact. An Igbo man is a cat with 9 lives. You know, you can only attempt to break an Igbo man. It's going to be an effort in futility. You can't.
How many times
you can't break an Igbo man? You can't break their will. You can't bruise them.
Simple.
Yeah, they're like titanium. It's not possible.
So what separates Igbo men from other tribes?
Yeah,
Yoruba, Hausa, etc.
That I know. I can only tell what I know because the Igbo man is close to us.